Okay, go ahead, jog it out on the spot. And now high knees, get those knees up. And butt kicks heels to your butt. And sprint as fast as you can. 10-second sprint. 5 seconds. Faster if you can. Jumping jacks. And now arm circles, big arm circles. And the other way, opposite direction. All right, that's good. Okay, you can grab a quick drink if you want to. We're gonna do chest, shoulders, and triceps, Tabata style. Same format as last week, same routine as last Monday. So we're gonna start with the chest press and a hollow hold combo. So legs off the ground, if you can, and just down and up, just like that. Legs and shoulders off, or just the legs off. Or if you can't do it like that, just have your feet on the ground like this. Okay? You're gonna go 20 seconds at a time. Tabata intervals, 20 on, 10 off. All right, ready, set, and go for it. If you can't keep your legs off the ground, that's okay. You can rest your feet on the ground, knees bent. Otherwise, try to do it with a hollow hold. Light up your abs the best that you can. Two, one, all right, relax. So that's one down, you have 7 more just like that. All right, ready, set, and go for it. Another one. Chest press and the hollow hold. Two, one, good. Just relax a little bit, 10-second breather. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Ten seconds, 10 down, 10 to go. Keep going. Try not to let your elbows hit the ground. Stop just before they hit the ground. 2, 1, good. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Second, 10 down, 10 to go. Keep those legs off. If you got them off, keep them off the ground. 2, 1, good. That's 4 intervals. Yeah, 4 more of those. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 now, last 10. Push those dumbbells up, keep pushing. 2, 1, good. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds left. See if you can do 4 more reps as last 10. 2, 1, good. We have 2 more of these. 2 more intervals for the chest press. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go for it. Last 10 now, last 10 seconds. One more. All right, little breather. We have 1 more interval for this exercise. Here it comes in 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 seconds. 1 more rep. All right, take a break. Water break. And the next exercise I'll show you while you're on your break. We're gonna do the push-ups and narrow, medium, wide push-ups and work your way back toward the narrow position. So start as narrow as you can go, all the way down, all the way up, and then about shoulder width, down and up, and then outside shoulder width, down and up. And then work your way back toward the middle. Okay, so narrow, medium, wide push-ups for 20 seconds at a time. All right, we're gonna go in 5 seconds. Ready, set, and go for it. So narrow as you can, and then shoulder width, and then just outside shoulder width, a little bit wider than shoulder width. One more rep. All right, relax. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Looking good on the screen, looking good here. 5 seconds to go. 2, 1, good. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds, push, push, push. One more, everybody give me one more. All right, relax. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go. All the way down. Make sure you're getting full range of motion. Every rep as far down as you can, close to the ground as you can. 2, 1, good. That's 4 of those done. 4 more to go. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds now. 10 seconds. Challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to get as deep as you can. One more rep. All right, relax. Next one, ready, set, and go. Last 10 seconds. 3 more at least, 3 more reps. Two, 1, good. 2 more rounds, 2 more intervals for this. Here comes the next one. Ready, set, and go. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. One more rep, everybody, one more. All right. We have one more interval, one more, and then we're done with the push-ups. Ready, set, and go. Last 10, you got it. 10 seconds to go, 3 more reps at least. Nobody quit till you get those 3 in. 2, 1, all right. Take a break, water break. All right, now I'll show you the next exercise while you're on your break. You can do this standing up. I'm just gonna do it kneeling so you can see me. We're gonna do alternating arm overhead press. So just like that, come down to 90 degrees and then push the other arm up. Just like that, alternating arms. So you can do it kneeling if you want to, but if you do it standing, just squeeze your glutes. Make sure you have a stable base. All right, we're gonna go in 10 seconds. All right, here we go. Ready, set, and go for it. Alternating arms, overhead press. Ten seconds. All right, 10 seconds to go. We're gonna light the shoulders up now. It should be already lit up a little bit from the push-ups. 2, 1. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Make sure you keep those glutes tight the whole time while you're doing this. So that way you have a stable base, nice solid foundation. 10 seconds. One more. All right, relax. Next one coming up in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, looking good. Slow and controlled. Less than 10, just under 10 seconds. One more each arm. All right, relax. Next one, ready, set, go for it. This one's round 4, 4 out of the 8. Ten seconds left. Two, 1, good. 4 down, 4 more to go. Here we go, ready, set, and go for it. Those weights should be getting heavy now. Should be getting a little bit more difficult with every interval. 5 seconds, 2 more each arm. See if you can do it. All right, relax. Ready, set, and go for it. Ten seconds left, 10 seconds. Keep pushing those dumbbells up overhead. Push, push, push. One more each arm. All right. 2 more of these. Here we go. Ready, set, go for it. Number 7. Last 10 seconds. One more. All right. One more interval, one more for this. And 3, 2, 1, go for it. Last time, 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. See how many more you can get. Try not to quit. 5 seconds. One more each arm. All right, take your break. Water break. All right, so while you're on your break, I'll show you the next set. So we're gonna do the front raise, side raise combo. We're gonna do it like this. For the first 4 intervals, we're gonna alternate between the two. So first interval, we're gonna do side raises only, okay, for 20 seconds. And then the next interval after that, we're gonna do front raises only. Okay, and then we'll go back to the side raises, then we'll go back to the front raises. And then the last 4 intervals, we'll do them together. We'll do a side raise into a front raise. All right, but for now, the first interval, we're just gonna do side raises, lateral raises. All right, ready, set, and go for it. So up, go parallel with the ground, and then back down. You can tilt at the top like you're pouring out a drink. And try to control it the best you can on the way down. Two, 1, all right, good. So now we're gonna go into front raises. You can hold it overhand grip, or you can hold a hammer grip, neutral grip. Ready, set, go for it. So either overhand or neutral grip, whatever feels better. Five seconds. 5 seconds left. 2, 1, all right, good. Now we'll go back to the lateral raises, side raises. Ready, set, and go for it. So just lateral raises for now. Five seconds. One more, maybe 2. 2, 1, all right, good. Now go back into the front raises, only front raises. Ready, set, and go for it. You have 10 seconds, front raises only. One more rep, one more. All right, good. Now the next 4 intervals, we're gonna go side raise, into a front raise, back into the side raise, alternate between the two. Ready, set, and go for it. Side raise, and then front raise, back to the side raise. Ten-second left. 2, 1, good. So we'll keep doing that for the next 3 intervals, the last 3. Ready, set, and go for it. Side raise into the front raise. 10 seconds. One more rep, one more. All right, relax. 2 more of these, 2 more intervals. Here we go, ready, set, go for it. We're still doing the combo, the side raise into the front raise, back into the side raise. Five seconds, if you can do 2 more. 2, 1, good. One more interval, then we're done with this. Ready, set, go for it. Last 10, so you can do 2 more of each. 2, 1. All right, take your break, water break. So the next round we're gonna do triceps skull crusher. So focus on the triceps. So you're gonna bend your elbows, curl them under like this, and then up. So just like that, get a good curl so you can get a good stretch. Just like that. Skull crushers. And if you need to, if you can't do 2 dumbbells, you can hold 1 dumbbell and bring it down to your head that way. If it gets too heavy with 2, just flip it around and do 1. All right, skull crushers, ready, set, and go for it. Big stretch at the bottom, and then extend up. Good. Try not to let those dumbbells hit the ground. So you want to curl under so they don't hit the ground, and you're getting a maximum stretch. 2, 1. Good. Ready, set, and go for it. Ten seconds now, almost there. 2, 1, good. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Do your best, get as much of a stretch as you can, and then extend those dumbbells, push those dumbbells back up. Seconds. 2, 1, good. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 already, 10 seconds in this interval. 2, 1, good. That's 4 down. First 4 down, 4 more to go. Next one in 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds. See if you can give me 2 more now. 2 more of these. 2, 1, good. Ready, set, go. Last 10 seconds for this interval. 2 more reps. 2, 1, good. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 now, last 10. Big stretch every time. 1 more rep. All right, relax. We have 1 more interval. Here it comes in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Last 20 seconds. Last 10. Two, 1, all right, good. Take your break, water break. We have 1 more exercise. So the last one, we're gonna do that overhead extension. 1 dumbbell, bend behind, and then extend it up. Bend and extend, just like that. So So the tricep overhead extensions, tricep power bombs. This will be the last round. 8 intervals, and then we're all done. All right, let's start it up in 10 seconds. So you can do this kneeling if you want, or you can do it standing. Ready, set, and go for it. So bend behind and then extend up. Really stretch at the bottom, and then overhead. Keep those elbows fairly close, fairly tucked in. You don't want to be out wide. Two, one, all right, good, that's one done. 7 more, just like that. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Big, deep stretch every time, all the way down. Seconds. One more good one. One more nice and slow. All the way down. 2, 1. Good. Next one in 3, 2, 1. Go. Last 10. Last 10. You should be feeling those triceps now. One more rep. All right, good, relax. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. One more rep. All right, relax. 4 down, 4 to go. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go for it. They want to come up. 10 seconds. I'm ready, just 10 seconds to go. 2, 1, good. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Second left. 2 more reps, 2 more. 2, 1, good. 2 more intervals now, just 2 more intervals, then we can stretch it out. Ready, set, and go for it. Last 10. 3 more. See if we can do 3 more. 2, 1, good. 1 more interval. Here it comes in 3, 2, 1, go for it. Last one. Second, just last 10, then we're all done. 2, 1, all right, good job everyone.